Yo, what is going on? We back with another banger video, and y'all already see the small body Supra. We got the big body Scat, but we're finna hop in that. Let's go. Carbon lip, real carbonite, carbon skirts. Got the red brakes.
Get the mirror caps. Got the mirror caps.
Yeah. We can't forget the carbon mirror caps. Got the carbon wing. You know what they say.
What they say? Big one, big thing.
Dude. These little things. I don't know what.
I think they're called canards.
Oh, that thing sounds so good. All right, bro, let's go. We are in it. Bro, how does this BMW
I think
work?
it turned off. Click this and then push all the way back. There you go.
Okay.
Now it's in drive. It'll tell you in the middle. It's mad low.
Bro,
so
yeah.
it's like the same thing. Like, you know with the Scat, how you gotta do that one wheel nonsense?
Yeah.
This is like the same thing. But the cool thing is, when you go in reverse, it raises the rear.
It's so normal right now, right?
Yeah, this is normal.
Okay.
So I mean, you can gas
Dude,
it.
you got some sticky tires.
Yeah, it's sticky. You'll hear it pick up everything.
What the? What the? No way. This feels.
That's normal mode. This is normal mode. This is,
Yo,
this
no
is
way.
Sport.
Hold on. Does it shift by itself when you use pedals, or you
Yeah,
have
but
to?
it's not good with normal. Like when you're in sport, then use the paddle.
Then use the pedals.
Yeah,
Okay.
normal just like, you know, just like normal. But in sport, you want to use the paddle. It's more fun.
Okay. We're gonna do like a 30 roll.
Alright, that's
quick.
fine.
Alright, guys. Watch this. Bro. Is this? I'm going for it, bro. I have to. I hate slamming on brakes. I hate it.
You're just like me. You're just like me.
Yeah,
I hate it.
yeah.
And I'm like, dang, bro, these pads are cheap. These
They're
pads are not cheap.
expensive. Alright, guys, we're gonna do a 0 to 60 on this. Okay. Whoa! That was light work, bro. Easy 80. Whoa! It spun a little bit.
There's like an ambulance right here. And a fire truck.
No, where the cops at?
In fact, where the cops at?
Alright, so let's use pedals.
That's not gonna go to 1. It's gonna stay at 2. This is curvy right here.
Bro, I don't know how to use pedals like that. I know how to use it in my car.
Yeah, and this one's
every car is different.
This one's a little different. I'll show you when I drive it. You'll be like, oh, like I'm not gonna lie, cause I had a Scat, so it's like really different on this cause it's turbo. The turbo, like the boost makes a difference.
I didn't even floor it, bro. I just went light on that.
This does that. Fuck you.
Alright, I'm gonna go right here.
Yeah, go.
It sounds good too.
It's stock.
I know.
But you know, I think
turbo.
I'm not gonna lie. I'm pretty sure this Supra is faster because it's a CF edition.
Yeah.
So all that carbon fiber and stuff you saw, that was out.
Oh,
He's slowing down. He's slowing down. So he might get behind you. He might get behind you. Just be careful, because he was.
We're gonna run from him.
You're onto the dash in a bright yellow whip. You got it, my boy. Yeah, he popped the UE. He's behind you.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's him. Right here, right? Yeah, I got it.
Yo.
Look at this fat zone mansion right here. Look
So
at this. This right here. Look.
Whoa, yo, what the?
Just little fat mansion. Just
Dude.
sitting right here. Across
I
from
haven't seen a house like that in.
Bro, this is literally across from some apartments, bro. Imagine living in these apartments.
Yo.
And you just wake up and you see some gigantic mansion just there. I get pressed.
I don't know this road, bro. If I knew the road,
you can turn right and it's straight. At the light, upper right.
it pops too. But it's not like crazy because it's not. It's not
like,
idiot, bro. Take a right. I'll show you some. Take a right. I'll show you some. Oh, that's boss 302, bro.
That's he lives across from me. He lives across from me.
Oh my god. Bro. That is. Pedal real quick.
Downshift again. Second. There you go.
Oh, that's so much better, bro. That's so much better.
And then my house is on the left right here.
Alright, so I'm gonna let you drive. Yo. Them pops are so nice.
But if this Jeep wasn't in front of me, I could have shown you some better pops. 25 miles an hour.
Oh, shoot. That sounds oh my god, bro. In a 35? Yo! The pumps are so nice. Yo! Oh my god! Yo! We in Forza, baby! Yo, this, oh my god, bro, yo, oh my god, that is,
This is loud, bro.
yo,
The pops, like right here, watch.
That is so,
As if I pop it in the second right here, it should give me a nice little sound. Let's see, right.
okay, okay. Oh, watch out, bro.
Keep in mind, I never drive my car this hard.
Oh, me neither.
Yeah, like
I'm gonna do it for videos.
Are we gonna drift it for the video?
Should I get out?
No.
You sure?
Yeah, don't get out. Cause I've never done this, so it's like kind of scary. Hold up. You see traction? All right, traction mode on.
Oh, yo. Oh, that was good. That was good.
That was good?
That was pretty good, yeah.
I feel like I could have held it though, not gonna lie.
Let me like do a pull when I'm outside, just so we can get the sound.
Look at this dude's house. Record the motherfucker's house.
Dude. Oh my god, bro. You live in the rich. Alright, I'll get out.
Alright, so you want me to go?
Bro, that Supra is fire. There he is. That thing pops, yo. Oh. Well, that was good.
Is that good?
Yeah. I like it.
Alright, let me show you an actual mansion.
does he do? Oh my god. The gate's open, bro.
You see how nice that thing
Let's
is?
go say hi.
You go in there.
Yo, can we make a video real quick?
It's for sale. I know the house is.
We're lost. We're lost.
We're lost.
We're lost, bro.
We're lost.
We're lost. Come
Hold
on,
on,
take a look. Yo, what if that bitch is haunted and the gate closes?
Bro, no.
Yo, guys, look at this. This man got a whole lake to himself. He got a like big old kitchen and stuff. Look at it, a whole lake, and then got a tree house, a whole farm. Bro, what else do you need?
Bro, you know the bad part about that
Oh
house?
my
Look at
God.
the inside. If it shows you the inside pictures, it's so ugly from the inside. Like the colors that they have, bro.
Yeah, why is it like all?
Yeah, see, it's all different colors.
Yeah, I don't.
It just does not look right. And
It still looks pretty good though. Yo, look at this.
It's just crazy. But who would want pink chairs, bro? What?
Yeah, who would want blue cabinets?
It's just so stupid. Like some of the colors.
Yeah, it's like, oh, they got the whole gym.
Trying to get it to pop really loud.
Oh my god. Alright guys, that was the end of the video. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Yeah.